Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's the HP Tricolor High Yield Ink Cartridge. That's right, this is the high yield, which means you're going to get more prints, and that makes it a lot easier. Nobody wants to have to replace those ink cartridges all the time. So, it's a really easy system to use. You just go ahead and slide this cartridge right into your printer, but I'm sure you know that. HP does a great job with all their colors, and this one I have found lasts longer than those normal cartridges, like significantly longer. They put a lot more ink in them, and that's what matters. So this is a 2-pack. You get the color and the black, and those blacks really are fantastic. Here's a picture that we were printing of my dog Biscuit, and they just kind of slide in. I'm doing it kind of awkwardly here because I can't see where I'm moving my hands because the camera's in the way. But they do just slide in, and when you hear them click, they're done. Go ahead and close that door, and you're good to go. All right, folks, so if you have an HP printer, this prints 2 times more than the original, than the other, the standard size. HP Color Ink, it really does a great job color matching what's on your screen. This is great for your HP printer. And if you're looking to do printing without having to replace the cartridge time and time again, this is the black and color pack. And it's absolutely fantastic. Folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I'll show you the products that I really use and I really love. And guess what? This is really, really a nice printer cartridge. So you're going to want to go ahead and check it out. All right, there you go. You're going to love this ink. Goodbye, my friends.